Say hello to all your fans, Rocky. Hey everybody, welcome back to Gagne Farms. It's Sophie and Candace here. We had an unexpected day off from softball tonight. The game canceled, so we decided we were gonna get some eggs incubating. So here's our incubator that we got. It's still in the styrofoam. I think we plan on starting a lot sooner than this, but it has been a busy spring. So we're gonna get this unpacked and out of the styrofoam and see what we've got. We've got our incubator unpacked, and here it is. Here's the screen. It shows the temperature and the humidity, what day we're on, and then the rotation time for when it rotates the eggs. The temperature is set at 36.7, I believe. The humidity should be set at about 45%. And so we've got that running, it's warming up. Our temperature is going up very nicely. It's up to 37 now. Our humidity is at 30%, so the alarm keeps going off. So I'm gonna add some water with the bottle that was provided with this incubator. I'm gonna turn it to the side, and there is a hole here. And so if I put the water in here, it will go into the channels that it needs to be in the incubator. Pretty simple. So we're just gonna add some water, hopefully bring up that humidity. After adding some water to the bottom of this, the humidity is actually rising quite fast. It went from 30% to 42% now and climbing. So hopefully we'll get up to 45% soon. And our temperature is at 36.3, and we're looking for about 37.5, 37.4. So we're gonna wait a second until the temperature comes up a little bit, and then we're gonna add our eggs. The eggs that I'm gonna add are from our Barred Rock chickens that we've raised, that we get really good eggs off of. So hopefully we'll have another flock coming soon. Our temperature was going up and our humidity was going up. We took the top off and it went back down, but I'm sure as soon as we put that top back on, it's gonna go right back up to where we need it. And which way do they need to go in?
Face down.
Face down? Didn't know they had a face.
Yeah, chickens. Yeah, they have faces. It's up here.
If it's up there, then they're not face down. So what does go down? So how many eggs do we have in there?
19.
19 baby chicks. How many do you think we'll actually get to hatch? One? You don't have very much faith in us. I'm guessing 15. So we will close you guys up and see you later. Candace Gagne from Gagne Farms here with your latest chick update. You saw Sophie and I put the eggs in the incubator to get them started. We had a small disaster. The incubator turned off. We don't know why. It had power. It was all good. After a couple days in the incubator, it just turned off. So we had to discard those eggs, unfortunately. And after a few days, it was magically working again, and it has been working ever since. So we're grateful for that. We decided to give it a second shot, and we put more eggs in the incubator. We have about 27 eggs in there, I believe. And what I did was I spaced them out more. When we had put the eggs in the first time, we had put them all on one side of the incubator. We were thinking if we spread them out and distributed the weight, that the incubator might work a little bit better. Maybe that was the problem before, because it automatically moves the eggs. We're on day 16 of incubation. This shows that there are 14 minutes until the incubator will move the eggs again. Our temperature is good, our humidity is good, everything is going great. We're past the date where you would normally candle eggs. I was extremely busy for a while with things for the end of the school year, softball, etc., etc. All you working moms out there know what I'm talking about. It can get really hectic. So I also have never done it before, and I was a little bit nervous. I was nervous to actually move them or hold them or take them out of the incubator, and one of my nightmares was to take one out of the incubator to candle it and drop it. So if you know me, you know that's a valid fear. Hopefully we'll have a good hatching. We don't know at this point. We'll just wait it out to see. Hi everybody, it is day 18 of incubation. It's a big day. It's the day we need to go into lockdown. So we're gonna take the rotating mechanism out of the incubator and take the eggs out, candle them, make sure they're developing properly. Hopefully we won't have to discard any. And then we are going to lay them flat in the bottom of the incubator, and then they are in lockdown for the next 3 days. We have to increase the humidity to about 65%, so that's going to be a chore and something that we have to watch carefully because the humidity in this thing has dropped drastically. So we're going to take the eggs out, candle them, and get them ready for lockdown. This is my first go around with ever incubating eggs, candling, or doing any of this, so bear with me, but I think I've followed directions pretty well and hopefully it'll turn out good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all the eggs out, and then I have to take the turner out. I'll candle them, and the ones that look like they're developing properly, I will put back into the incubator and we'll lock them down. I tried candling them with this flashlight, and I did have the lights off and everything and had it as dark as I could get it in here, but I really can't see anything. So what I'm gonna do is make sure that none of them are cracked, because that's the biggest hazard, is if they're cracked or anything's coming out of them right now. So as long as they don't have any cracks or anything coming out of them, then I'm just gonna put them back and we'll see what happens. All right, I'll put the lid back on. As you can hear, we're beeping because our humidity and temperature has gotten low due to having the machine open. Putting some warm water down here in the water chambers to up this humidity as quickly as I can. All right, we'll see where that takes us. If not up to 65, we'll have to add some more. I have a feeling I'm going to be adding a lot of water the next 3 days. I know nothing is going to happen today, but I can't stop peeking. There they are. They're going to be baby chickens soon. We can't wait to be chicken mamas again. I can't wait to be a chicken mama again. Do we have any peeps yet? No peeps?
Good morning, everybody. It is day 21 of incubation. I'm so excited. I haven't even had my coffee yet. Just got up, but I have to check the incubator. Fingers crossed. I don't see anything yet. I'm not losing hope, though. There has to be a baby chicken there somewhere. It's day 21, folks, and I don't see any activity. Still holding out hope.
Well, here's our little one that's starting to pip. I'm hoping once she comes out that her chirping will encourage the other ones to start to pip. So what's going on, girls?
One of the chickens not. Oh my gosh, it's really low.
That's what they do. They gotta get dried off and get their bearings.
What is it doing?
It's rolling around. I would like to introduce to the world and all Gagne Farms fans our one successful hatchling, Rocky. Say hello to all your fans, Rocky. He's our little baby chick, and we're going to care for him and love him, and he's awesome and funny and comical and does great things. When all was said and done, we ended up with one live healthy chick. You might be able to see it behind me. It's the little black one. We named it Rocky. Don't know if it's a he or a she yet. We'll find out later as it grows. So something else I learned after we ended up with Rocky was that chicks will not survive if they're by themselves. So we went to our local TSC and ended up getting some Isa Browns to keep him company and they've been quite comical together. So I hope Rocky's happy. I hope you learned some things along the way. I know I did. Chick hatching for me has come to an end for now. It was kind of an emotional roller coaster. We ended up with one live healthy chick named Rocky, and we're really happy about that. I'm definitely going to try it again. There were some definite pros to it. It was a great experience. To keep our flock up so that we continue to have eggs, we need to hatch out our own chicks to keep it cost effective. Thanks for watching. If you like this channel, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That helps us out here on Gagne Farms a lot. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you on the next one.